Welcome back to channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. iOS 27 a developer beta 7 is out for now. As you can see, the update size is around 1 gig, so it's a small update. Along with iOS 27 beta 7, we also got macOS 27 beta 7, which is around 6 gigs, and along with that we got some other updates, and those updates also include iPad OS 27 beta 7. It is around 600 and 700 MB, you can say it. It's a small update, and it feels this is actually a very small update. No other betas that include tvOS beta 7 and watchOS beta 7 and more stuff is also out. Now if you look at the size, it is a small update. For now it is a developer beta while I'm shooting this video. For now the public beta is not out yet. As you can see, I am also checking the public beta, but for now public beta is not out yet, but developer beta is out. If you are on a developer beta, I will suggest you go into settings, install this update. But if you are on a public beta, definitely you have to wait for a couple of hours. It will come out very soon, but for the developer betas the update is out. Now update is just a 1 gigs, which means definitely it's a very small update. There is no doubt about that, and because of its size, I believe I'm not expecting any big features. Now beta 6, if we talk about the last week update, beta 6 was purely about enhancements and improvements. There were no big changes. There were minor UI changes here and there, but it was a minor update. It was a small update. But beta 7 feels even more small update. I don't think we are expecting any big features over here, but definitely I want to see better battery life. Now so far beta 6 did bring the improvement. For example, today I used around 96% and got 5 hours and 30 minutes screen on time. Yesterday 108%, 8 hours of screen on time. The apps that I used today were Instagram, WhatsApp, Threads, and some other apps. Yesterday it was Instagram and Netflix mainly. Yesterday it performed very well. Today it didn't perform that good. So sometimes battery life is good, sometimes battery life is bad, but it is just an okay battery life. So definitely with the beta 7 of 27, iOS 27, I am expecting a better battery life. Definitely after updating this version, I will be bringing another video, and tomorrow I will be testing out the update. So I will be talking about the battery life, I will be talking about the performance. So as you can see, I am installing this update, which means this update is highly recommended for you guys. Go and install this update. There is no way, there's no need to wait for it. Just go and install this update. And if I talk about the performance is nice. I haven't faced any bugs so far. Things are working nice. And if I go on and share some Geekbench score, the latest score I got is 3419 on a single core, 8527 on a multi-core. Both scores are higher than the average one, so it is performing good, which is a nice sign. So overall experience is great. GPU meta score is also good too, 8806, which is way higher than the average one. So beta 6 performed very well, very decently. So with the beta 7, I am expecting slightly better performance, better battery life, and more stuff, but I'm not expecting any big features. But as you can see, I'm installing this update. After installing this update, if I found anything, I will be bringing video about that. But for now, iOS 27 beta 7 is out. It's a very small update. It's just a 1 gig update. On the other hand, I'm also going to install the iPad OS 27 beta 7 on my iPad. Again, over here it's also a very small update, just a 600 MB update. So nothing much crazy I'm expecting here too. Like in a 600 MB update, what features or anything like you can expect. So definitely I'm not expecting anything higher, but it is going to be again a minor update even for the iPad. And as you can see, I'm already installing the update. I will be installing the update on Mac OS 2. So I will be installing Mac OS 27 beta 7, and will be sharing my experience regarding that in upcoming videos. So I'm just waiting for the public beta. Once the public beta will come out, I will come back with another video and we'll talk about what is new in this update. So far, iOS 27 beta 7 is out. it is highly recommended to install this update if you already on a developer beta. If you are on a public beta, wait for the public beta that will be available in a couple of hours. That's it from this small and very simple video. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section below. And with this size, it also means that we are getting closer to the official release. I will be talking about that in the next video very soon. So see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.